Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today, hopefully I'm somewhat centered on the camera here. I think I am now, but I'm pretty much just going to be hopping straight into this video showing y'all, just all the sneaker investments I've copped during the second semester of college, freshman year. And yeah, pretty much it's coming to an end. Got my last exam today, and I had some time to make a video, so I was like, alright, let's show all the sneaker investments I've got. I think I'm showing every pair in this one. I think it's 8 or 9 pairs, so yeah, hope you guys will enjoy. So if you want to check my Instagrams down below, feel free to give me a follow there. My Discord's down there also, and if you just want more sneaker investment, unboxing videos, how to cop content, then subscribe and like down below. Let's make the goal for this video, like, since it's a little sneaker, showing y'all a couple new ones and different things like that, let's try and hit 220 likes. But aside from that, we'll just hop into it. I'm not really trying to delay this too much. So hopefully that intro was quick, but I'll get into the first pair that I definitely want to show you all. I think it's this one right here. I just bought this yesterday off Facebook Marketplace. First time I've ever bought anything actually off Facebook Marketplace, and I got a decent deal for it. It's some Jordan 1 Hyper Royals, or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, these are super dope. I have a pair coming on the way to wear, which I'm very, very happy about. But this isn't my size. This is a 10.5. I paid $400, which I think is pretty much $20 under market right now. You're seeing what people are selling pairs for right now. Nobody's really selling many for around 400. So I saw it as a great deal, and I definitely took up on the opportunity. So shout out to the dude who sold me. I think his name was like Javon or something. So shout out him. I really appreciate it because that was a good deal, and it's pretty cool actually. Like the internet, man, like literally it was someone near me. He drove down, we met up, did the deal, super easy. And yeah, just like it's crazy how it works. So first time I'd used Facebook Marketplace, but I got a good deal. These are of course legit. I did some very good legit checking on this, but I saw like the box and all that. It looks straight, and you can check the box. Everything checks out on this pair of turbos, so I didn't have to question whether it was legit. He had the sneakers receipt and all that too, so yeah, everything was good. And yeah, in terms of this shoe, this is just such a clean shoe, and me paying $400 right now, you can call it an L or whatever, but please call it an L, because I'll be calling you an L when I make $200 on it in like a couple months. Oh my god, that was corny, Jesus. I'm gonna leave that in there just so someone can make fun of me for that down the line. But yeah, that was just, I don't know what I was going for there, but yeah, what I am going for is saying this shoe is super dope, and I'm glad I got a couple pairs, because I definitely needed one to wear, and just having one finally to kind of just invest in makes me really, really happy, because just pay attention to the details, bro. Please pay attention to the details. Aside from my annoying light, which I'm gonna move out of the way right there, pay attention to the details on the shoe. Like, I used to have the turbo greens, and these are way cleaner than the turbo greens. And the turbo greens are super fresh. So yeah, the shoe, $600, $700 shoe down the line. If you were to hold it for a year, maybe $800. I don't know how much it could possibly be going for, but a lot of money. Just check the charts. So yeah, I'm very happy about the price I paid. So shout out to the dude who gave me the deal. I appreciate you heavily. But the next one I guess I'll mention, since I was stacking this one down, this is the pair of Jordan 1 Mid Signal Blues. I copped a pair of these while I was in college. Also, so you all can see these. Again, definitely think these are going to be making some good progress over the summer. Very, very clean shoe for Jordan 1 Mid at least. Kind of that patent leather. I think it really brings out the shoe, and personally, I'm a huge fan of this one. Although, I'm not like a mid fan. Again, I prefer a Jordan 1 just as it is, straight up. I don't really like the kind of, like the midsole. I don't know. I don't mess with like this right, this portion. It don't fit for me. The heel looks weird on it, in my opinion. That's just how I'm feeling. So again, I definitely still think it's gonna go up though, because mids are in right now, and this is a patent leather Jordan. Patent leather Jordans are A, easy to clean, and B, super clean in pictures, and just honestly in person. Not everything's about pictures. I don't even take pictures no more. I used to be about like taking pictures on Instagram and stuff like that, but then I just stopped posting. I don't know, I was just like, I'm so bored of this. Everyone started, everyone been posting, but just like, once you like, I don't know, just got like boring after a while, you know what I mean? But hey, this shoe is not boring. So if you need to think of another sneaker investment that isn't too expensive right now, this Jordan 1 Mid right here. Just keep the name in mind. Jordan 1 Mid Signal Blue. My turbos were a 10.5. This is a 9. Usually I try and keep everything in the a decent size range, but lately everything's kind of been all over the place. So yeah, and there's also plenty of other sneaker investments I copped while in college that are not here. they're back like in Charlotte, since I'm going to Charlotte on Saturday, and I'll be back there, over the summer, which I'm, by the way, super excited about. Great videos coming on the way. As I've mentioned many times, I got like a pair of Kobe's there, and 2 pairs of University Blues there. So, and one of my pairs of Hyper Royals. So, I mean, there's 4 pairs in the video, and Uni Blues. So 5 pairs in the videos, in the video that I'm not showing that I've copped while I'm in college. So if you guys hopefully have been able to, I've been taking sneaker investing as the main thing seriously, not reselling, but sneaker investing I've been taking very, very seriously while I'm in college, because your boy's been running it up. But no, not trying to flex when I say that. I'm just saying, hard work can get you there, and I'll show you all the way over the summer for sure. But aside from that, I'll try and do like a video over the summer where I go from like $100 to like 10K or something. I'll try and do that. That'd be dope. Or 100 to 1,000, something simple. But another pair I got is a pair of the Silver Toes. This one right here, Jordan 1 Silver Toe. Again, I think it is an amazing hold. Obviously, the resale on these is really good right now. So if you need the money, go ahead and sell them. I feel that. But I mean, I think this one still has a lot more room to go up, since it is just a really clean Jordan 1. I think the metallic pattern is something that people would want more in the winter time. I think this is definitely like more of a winter Jordan 1. I don't know what tells me that. I think the colorway just kind of fits more. But I know if I hold this one for a while, I'll make some really good money on it, since, I mean, women's Jordan 1s do take a little bit longer to go up. That is the truth. But this one will. I mean, it's a silver toe colorway. Go look at the gold toe. I mean, yeah. Enough said. I don't want to explain this one for too long, because I've mentioned this in so many videos before, along with some of these other ones. But I mean, just Jordan 1s go up, and this is another one of those ones. And I think most people, this one's a good hold, especially in my opinion, because there's not too many people holding them, and there's not too many people like selling them. So it's just like, it's a good balance. So it's gonna rise pretty nicely, I feel like, but I can't determine that too early. And another sneaker investment that I did cop in college, I don't know what I was thinking when I copped this one. This is the only sneaker investment it's the only sneaker investment in a while that I've lost money on. Honestly, I've been really particular with my sneaker investments lately, so I've been making good money off them. But this is one of the ones where I would have made money off it if I looked at the price I copped it for, and it's my fault for paying too much on them. But the Jordan 1 gold, black metallic gold, this one right here, I mean, it's a grade school size. It's a 6Y if I'm correct, and everything checks out on this pair. You can give her a good look if you want, on the box or any of that. I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see the camera. Yeah, but everything checks out on this one. Honestly, the only thing you got to check for on Jordan 1 boxes is that make sure the letters are bold. That's a very, very important thing. But there's other things you got to check for too. But I mean, this one, there's not really too many fakes for grade school pairs of these. Honest answer. But yeah, this one again, I definitely see rising up. It's again that patent leather Jordan 1, super easy to clean, and honestly the colorway is, it's not anything too crazy, but it fits. The black and gold, of course, that's just a classic thing, kind of colors, kind of like color blocking or color scheme, whatever you want to call it. It typically would go together. And yeah, I definitely see progress in these ones very soon, because it's a clean shoe, and around Christmas time, I feel like this shoe would be a total dub, because shoes go up around Christmas. Almost all of them do, that at least have some hype. And again, it's a Jordan 1, and someone's gonna be looking to get their kid a pair of black metallic golds dead stock, and guess what? Your boy's gonna have it. He's gonna make some money on it. So, hey, I'm planning ahead here, boys. But another one that I got, aside from those last couple I've shown you, I've shown this one plenty of times too, so I'll get this one out of the way especially. Probably can tell what it is already, since it is a Dunk box, or Air Max box, whatever you want to call it. But the UCLA Dunk Low Coast, shout out my guys at Secret Sauce when they caught me these. That was super dope. I remember I got these ones for retail, and I'm still holding these ones, even though people are like, oh, what about the University Blue ones dropping and sometime in May? Should we sell these ones before those ones drop? And the answer to that is no, because the University Blue ones do not have this gold lettering on them. Do you see this? The gold stitch in there and the gold lettering on the toe? Yeah, the University Blue pair does not have that. Although the color is pretty much everything is the same, they don't have this. So since they don't have this is a completely different shoe, and hypebeasts are going to take that very seriously. So you need to understand that, and if you understand that, then you just know, hold the shoe through the summer and sell it at the end. Sell it in August. I'm honestly just going to dump my Dunks in August. It's really, just what I feel like is a good idea, because, I feel like, I don't know how much longer the hype's going to run out, but, I mean, they're dropping so many pairs. Nike really is. They're just flooding the market with pairs, so, I mean, it can't be that much longer. Just honest answer. So I'm selling these in a couple months maybe, but if it is sooner that I have to sell them, then I will. Like if there's a restock or some massive restock coming along for these, or just if I hear about another big one, then yeah, they're gone. So Dunks, kind of, you know, I don't like holding them, but I will if I know I can make money on them. And well, I did make a little bit of money holding this one, a little bit more than I would have made selling it originally. So I feel good about that one. And aside from the Dunk Low Coast, another one that I have is the Yeezy Foam Runner Sand. This is one of my favorite holds, one of my easiest holds that I've ever had to call, ever, seriously. I knew once I got this one, I knew it would be something I could make money on, and I know people have been asking me, okay, well, Tristan, I know you made like, you know, your little $100 holding this one, a little 100 more, 75 more than you would have if you just had sold it right off the bat. But the thing is that with this shoe, people were asking me, they're like, there's a restock coming very soon for this one. Should we sell our pairs? And the answer for this is no, because I feel like the restock for these is going to be there's going to be like no pairs, honestly. You know how it is. Bots cook up on any sort of restock. So I mean, I don't feel like there's going to be a very big restock for these at all. I mean, when these do drop, I think there's like a pair of red foam runners too dropping with these. Those red foam runners, yeah, that is a very, very, very good hold. It's a red October colorway, so you know people are going to be taking that kind of foam runner very seriously. But with this shoe right here, I mean, it is funny looking, but hey, Kanye, I mess with the concept. I think I've never worn them, but I bet they're super comfy. And if I can say anything about these, it's just, if you want to sell them before the restock, do it, but I'm taking the risk. I don't feel like the restock's going to have much stock at all for some foam runners. So yeah, that's why I'm still holding mine, because with time, it'll still rise. And just go look at the other foam runner tarts. Even with those ones having a lot of stock or, you know, restocking here and there, just go look what they've done. They've done good numbers. So in my opinion, I'd hold the Yeezy Foam Runner Sands still, but again, that's your choice. I'm just going to continue holding mine because, you know, I feel like, you know, I don't feel like Kanye's going to be too generous in the restock, but if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, so I'll take that off. But another one I will mention really quick, it's another pair of mids. I actually really want to show you all this one. I've mentioned this one plenty of times, but, you know, it's kept going up, performing pretty well. I think you guys know about this one, the Jordan 1 Band Mid. I'm not too sure what this one is selling for around right now, but I think I paid $144 for these ones. But, I mean, that's, you know, pretty good price considering now. I think I think last time I saw them it was $175, I think. So I mean, they're around $175, $180, I think, which is a pretty good price. And obviously, you know, this remakes the original Jordan 1 the original Jordan 1 Band, that Jordan 1 High that's really hyped, goes for a ton of money. This is the mid version of it. So kind of seeing that this is a remake of that super hyped colorway that goes for, you know, thousands, a lot of money, or pretty much near $1,000, I think, if I'm right. Like, I want to make sure I'm right there, but I could be wrong. Just seeing that this is a remake of that colorway, I mean, hold this mid, get your pairs, keep getting on board while you can, because I mean, this one is just going to go up. It's really clean. Like, look at the leather in person. This thing is super, super clean. Huge fan of it. And yeah, you know, just check your local deals, check Facebook Marketplace, you know, see if anybody got bulk deals, because these are going up, and I think everybody knows that, because people are going to be looking to sell these for much more down the line. I can already feel it. Like, just wait, these will be going for $250 eventually. Just, that's how I feel, because, you know, other mids have gone for a ton of money, and these ones, I mean, shoot, it's a remake to the Band colorway, so like, it's a good reason, you know what I mean? And the final one I will mention right here is the Jordan 1, or not Jordan 1, Jordan 4 Taupes. You can tell by the massive box. Obviously, Jordan 4s have a massive box. And yeah, this is again just another one that has that really clean suede. Kind of, you know, pretty similar suede. I saw a pair, someone showed me a pair of the University of Blue Jordan 4s in hand yesterday. It was the dude who actually bought the turbos, or not the turbos, the Hyper Royals off. He showed me a pair of the Uni Blues in hand. I was kind of thinking about buying a pair off them there, but I already have one secured, or two, so I was just like, you know, I'm good. But I saw a pair of the Uni Blues in hand, and the suede's pretty much identical to the suede on the Taupes. Just, you know, the Taupes is just kind of that, you know, that different colorway. Obviously, it's not that Uni Blue, you can tell. But yeah, this one again, really clean. I'm gonna keep holding this one. Definitely. Some people think this is a $500 shoe. I think that is possible. Just, it'll take a lot of time to get there. So yeah, that's another one, and pretty much the last sneaker investment I have to show you all. The last one I do have that I can show you all while I'm here in college. You know, pretty much 2 days until I'm heading out, but I'm super excited to be back in Charlotte. I'll be doing a massive collection video, massive sneaker investment video. I'm gonna have like 40 pairs to show in that video, so that'll be a long video, but it'll be super dope. So hopefully you all will stay tuned for that sneaker investment video whenever that one with 40 pairs will come down the line in a couple days. I think, yeah, literally a couple days we'll be doing that. So stay tuned, and that's all I gotta say. So let's roll that outro. Anyways, hope you all did enjoy this video. If you all do want more content like this, again, how to cops, sneaker investment videos, just, you know, unboxing videos, You know, we'll be doing vlogs over the summer too, so stay tuned for that. Be sure you guys go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop a like. Again, I think I said the goal in this video was 220 likes, so if we could hit that, that'd be dope. But if not, it's not the end of the world, you know. We'll keep going, you know. Hey, and you know, if you just want to stay tuned for more, that's just my recommendation. But also in the description, got my Instagrams, Discord, all that. So if you want to check that below, feel free. That'll be there. And yeah, you know, now that's everything that needs to be said. Everything that's off my chest right there. So let me know what you guys think about my investments. If you guys have any questions about any sneaker investments, you can ask them down below. And yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day. And if you're still watching the video right now, how about you comment? I want you to comment Tostitos, like the chip. Comment Tostitos. I just thought of that because I was having those yesterday. I see the bag. So random. I'll catch you on the next one. That'll be tomorrow, hopefully. Peace. Sticks made a fucking hit.